Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw mortgage documents from Rocket Mortgage uploads into AI folders step by step clearly. To withdraw mortgage documents from Rocket Mortgage uploads into AI folders, start by logging into your Rocket Mortgage account. Navigate to the Documents section on the dashboard. Locate the mortgage documents you wish to withdraw. Check the box next to each document you want to download. Look for the download option, usually found at the top of the document list. Click on Download to save the selected documents to your computer. Next, open the folder where you saved the downloaded documents. Ensure the files are correctly formatted and accessible. Now, open your designated AI folder on your computer. Drag and drop the downloaded documents into the AI folder. Alternatively, you can copy and paste the files into the AI folder if preferred. Once all files are transferred, verify that they are present in the AI folder. Close the Documents section on Rocket Mortgage and any open folders. You have now successfully withdrawn your mortgage documents into the AI folders. Make sure to back up these documents for future reference. Review the contents of your AI folder to ensure everything is in order. You are now ready to proceed with your next steps using the downloaded documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.